Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is PJ. As you guys know that in this channel we used to drop daily analysis on boom and crash and step index. So guys, today we are back with another wonderful strategy for you guys to trade on boom and crash successfully. So today's strategy is one of the best strategies that can really help you to make a lot of profits in trading crash 1000 on 1 minute time frames. And this strategy is for you to identify the right time for you to enter spike entry. You see, this is as you are seeing now that we have a buy entry that we just take now, and we can see that we are in profit right now. So I will show you the settings of this indicator and the reason why this strategy really works and how this strategy really works. So let me show you this reason why this strategy works, and I will show you how you can set this up on your phone to trade successfully. So currently now we are expecting more spike in the trade. We are expecting more spike in the trade for market to reverse down. So but before that, let me show you the reason why I take this particular trade. So for me to take this particular trade, I'm using the third zoom level. What you need to do is to adjust your screen. You see, you can move your trade like this. So you have to adjust it to the last zoom area at this particular area, to the last area here, not this last zoom, but the beginning of the screen. So set it to the beginning of the screen. So that is the area that you are going to be targeting, and that is how you are going to be identify each particular trade. And as you can see here, we have our red line here, we have our green line, we have our light green also, and we have our market facilitation, which is showing us is that black line here at the bottom area here. So what you need to do, let me explain to you guys how you can trade this successfully. So we have our two moving average here, which is the odd trend, and we have our negative odd trend. So if you want to use it to catch up a spike on crash 1000 1 minute time frames, what you need to do is to wait for your moving average of red to cross above the odd trend level, which is 100 level. So once it crosses on your last zoom area, like this particular area, you see now, you see the red line cross it at this area, and it meets together with the green with the green 9 above this urgent level. You see that? So once it meets together on above this 100 level, and it meets up with the green 9 over there, then this is the right time for you to enter your trade. As you can see, that is exactly what I enter here, and the trade was move on the uptrend little bit, then it give me a spike bit, and it give out another two candlestick, and I have another long spike again. So guys, so let me show you some sample of what we are talking about. You see, it's when you adjust your screen to this end area, it helps you to identify the right time for you to enter this particular trade. You see now, you can easily identify it, but when your trade is at the middle, you see it come to a downtrend, so you are unable to identify it. So even when you move this particular trade to the last zoom level, you see that it does not bring out an accurate on it, but it only show it to be accurate when you have your screen on the beginning of the screen. You see, on the beginning like this, zoom into the last area, you see on the beginning of it. So that's it. So it's going to form on around this where we are having our index written on the screen. You see that? So what you are going to do now, let me show you some sample of what has really helped me to catch up my trade successful. You see, this is part of the reason. Another reason here, you see now, we have our settings here. You see our settings here, and this moving average show up to accurate at this area, and we enter this trade, and you see you keep on taking down a spike entry. anytime you have this confirmation, and anytime there is still a spike and you can confirm it and you can see that it bring out a what, a black market facilitation out there, it's telling you that we have a strong move in the market. That means we are still expecting a what, a more spike in the trade. Like what is happening currently now, you can see that once the spike, when this we have this spike happen, you see that it bring out a what, a black market facilitation out here, which show that it's there's still going to be a what, a more spike in the market. So that's exactly what I mean by that. So let me show you sample. Don't forget, what you are going to be targeting is around there. So once you move your screen to this beginning of the chart, then you can easily identify it at this level. So let me show you more of this sample. You see, we are looking out for our red line at this area. You see that? You see this? Okay, let me show you something of this area. You see now we are having it at this area, but our red line move above the odd-trend level at this particular area. You see that? So let me show it back to the yes, is accurate now, is at the area that we expect it to be now. So you see your entry will be around this facility, and is the price is going to move on a spike level. It bring out this and it keep on what, keep on taking a what, a spike entry until you have that full confirmation. Don't forget that your red line is going to move above the what, above the odd-trend level. Once it move above the odd-trend level and it was joined together with the green and the light green there, then this is the right time for you to enter your what, to enter your spike entry, which is going to be your what, your sell entry on crash 1000. So this is exactly what you need to do, and let me show you more of a sample of this. Okay, I want to show you something from this area. You see that I want to show you something at this area. You see now, once we have this particular aspect that respect it and we take our profits at this level, you can see that the market keep on continue move, and something also happen here. You see there is a reverse in this level which also respects this area back. You see that it respect area backs. So that is telling you that you have a chance to enter more trade, so that for you to catch up this great spike. You see that? So guys, this is actually working. This is working perfectly. So let me show you another sample of what's trade so far. You see, this is another sample of it. You see, what you just need to do is to allow this your trade. This will be your your last entry. You see, you have your confirmation at this area, and once you have the confirmation, make sure that the red line is above the odd-trend. So immediately the red line is above the odd-trend, try to join together with the light green and the deep green. Then this is the right time for you to enter your trade. And when you enter your trade, be expecting a great spike at any time. You see what happened here, a spike happened here, and it begin to give us a zigzag before it give us a great spike again. You see, once it show that we are having this black moving average on top, it show that we are having more chance to enter the trade. Exactly what I'm telling you guys. You see what happened? It keep on spiking. So let me show you another setup here. You see another setup here. So immediately once this thing is accurate, once it move above this, our red line move above the odd-trend level, and it was able to join the green and the light one together, then you have a chance to enter for spike on crash 1000. So guys, let me show you the settings of this strategy so that you guys can set it up on your phone. So on our moving average, which is our main chart, we have the one period of 150, shift of 0, methods to be exponential, we have apply to close, we have 4 as our style here, which is the red color here. But on our indicator window 1, we have the average directional movement, which is the period of 50. We have our style, which is our plus di to only be in other color. Then the order will be in the color of our background. You see, understand that? Just screenshot it the way I have here. I'm using white background. So if you want to set yours, make sure that this style and negative di are also in your background color. So we have this different level here. We have 0, we have 5, we have 10, we have 20, we have 35, we have single zero twice at this particular area. So you can also set it up like that. Then we have our commodity channel index, which is the period of 14. We have our applied to typical price. You see that we have our style to be in this color. Then you press on done. Then we have our moving average setting. Then the period of 10, we have the moving average, the period of 10. We have our shift to be 0. We have our methods to be simple. We have applied to close. We have our style to be in for preserve, which is red color. So we have the last indicator here, which is our market facilitation index. We have the volume to be tick. We have our line to be in 4. Then you set it up the way I set it up here, exactly like this. So you just set it your MFI up and down. You just set it the way I set it here. Then you press on done. So by doing this, you will have the same charts the way you have it here on your on your phone. So guys, if you are watching this channel for the first time, kindly subscribe to this channel and click on the notification button to notify you when next we drop another wonderful strategy setup. And also you can also help us to share this video and like more of our video on this. And also we have our Telegram group for more updates on boom and crash, and we also have room for mentorship and for guide. You can also join to get started. Thanks.